Embracing nature, unique architectural designs in mountain settings. Introduction: The harmony of architecture and nature. Welcome to our channel, Nookup YouTube channel, where we explore the captivating world of architecture and apartment interior design ideas. In this video, we will delve into the unique architectural designs that are transforming mountain settings into breathtaking retreats. These homes not only capture the beauty of their natural surroundings but also embrace sustainable practices and innovative design concepts. As we journey through these inspiring examples, we invite you to subscribe, like, and comment to share your thoughts and experiences with us. Let's embark on this exploration of how architecture can harmonize with the majesty of mountains. Blending with the landscape. One of the most striking features of mountain architecture is its ability to blend seamlessly with the surrounding landscape. Architects often use local materials such as stone and wood, which not only create aesthetic harmony but also reflect the region's character. This connection to the landscape is essential for creating homes that feel integrated into their environment rather than imposed upon it. Large windows and open spaces help to enhance this connection, allowing natural light to flood in while offering panoramic views of the mountains. Sustainable practices in mountain design. Sustainability is a core principle in many modern mountain home designs. With increasing awareness of environmental issues, architects are incorporating eco-friendly materials and energy-efficient technologies into their projects. Features such as solar panels, rainwater harvesting systems, and green roofs are becoming common elements in mountain homes, allowing residents to enjoy their surroundings while minimizing their ecological footprint. Innovative use of space. In mountain architecture, innovative use of space is essential for creating functional and comfortable homes. Given the often challenging terrain, architects are finding creative solutions to maximize usable space while maintaining a connection to the outdoors. This includes designing multifunctional areas that serve various purposes, such as combining living and dining spaces or incorporating built-in storage solutions that minimize clutter. Outdoor living, extending the home. Outdoor living spaces are a hallmark of mountain architecture, providing residents with the opportunity to fully embrace their natural surroundings. Decks, patios, and balconies are designed to take advantage of breathtaking views and fresh mountain air, creating seamless transitions between indoor and outdoor areas. These spaces are often equipped with features such as fire pits, outdoor kitchens, and comfortable seating arrangements, making them perfect for relaxation and entertaining. The role of light in mountain design. Natural light is a vital element in the design of mountain homes. Architects are increasingly prioritizing large windows, skylights, and open layouts to maximize the influx of sunlight. This emphasis on light not only enhances the ambience of a home but also creates a stronger connection to the outdoor environment. Imagine waking up to the soft glow of morning light streaming through expansive windows, illuminating your living space and providing stunning views of the mountains. Cultural influences in mountain architecture. Mountain architecture is often influenced by the cultural heritage of the region, reflecting local traditions and lifestyles. Many mountain homes incorporate design elements that pay homage to historical building practices, creating a sense of continuity with the past. This can include features such as exposed beams, stone fireplaces, and handcrafted details that evoke a sense of craftsmanship and authenticity. Community and mountain living. Mountain living is not just about individual homes, it's also about creating vibrant communities that foster connection and collaboration. Many architects are designing mountain developments that prioritize communal spaces, such as shared gardens, parks, and gathering areas. These spaces encourage residents to engage with one another and foster a sense of belonging, creating a supportive environment for families and individuals alike. Conclusion: your dream mountain retreat awaits. In conclusion, embracing nature through unique architectural designs in mountain settings offers an unparalleled living experience. From sustainable practices to innovative use of space, these homes capture the essence of modern mountain living while honoring the beauty of their surroundings. As you envision your dream mountain retreat, we encourage you to subscribe, like, and comment to share your thoughts and ideas with us. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of mountain architecture, where every home tells a story of harmony between design and nature.